This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Good morning, guys. It is October 11th, 2018. This one here I got a call for a guy. He's got an oil burner with a power venter, and he says the burner tries to start, but it won't start. So sounds like it's tripping out on safety. Says he's got oil. He didn't run out of oil. So I think I have done service to this guy's before. We'll have to go see what's going on with it. I'm on my way there now. A little bit of a ride here. It's probably a, I don't know, 20-minute ride to get there. Not too bad. Tjernlund. Oh, she fires up and then shut right off. That's weird. Very weird. Noisy bugger, huh?
Yeah, you told me last time you were here that power vent's an antique.
Might be a bad control. Get my meter and we'll see what's going on with it. Alright, so this black line coming down is the burner. This is the wire coming back from the power venter right there, so we'll have to see if it's losing it through the power venter, which is probably what's happening. Sometimes that tube gets dirty. Yeah, we lost it right there. losing it somewhere. It's the burner coming down. Let's see what we got there. Power coming into the control. Well, we got power coming in from here, so that's good. No work today?
Actually, last night. We'll be calling you next week too. Finish up on that bathroom. Got a vanity, a couple other things.
That's coming out of the control. We'll see what we got coming out of the control. Yeah, so it's in the power venter. Might be that vacuum switch. Not the greatest power venter in the world, but it is what it is. Time just gets full of stuff. Let's try it again. The blades are okay in that thing. Tube's okay. It's probably that vacuum switch. Alright guys, I'm going running out and get another switch for that power vent, that vacuum switch. I did run the unit. I had power coming into the switch. Nothing going out of it was a power vent running. I checked the fan blade's still intact. I tried to blow out that tube the best I could. That seems to be open. So it's going to be that switch. When that power vent runs, it ramps up, it pulls that vacuum switch in, the continuation of the safety circuit. And that's what it is. So I'm going to try to change that switch out. It should fire right up. Kind of weird because it like fired for a second and then shut right off. Odd. But we're going to get the switch now. A couple of towns over. And I gotta do what I gotta do. Guy needs hot water, take a shower. I had power coming in, but no power going out when I was running the burner. I did run it. I checked it. So we're gonna change that switch. I got it right there. We're gonna change that switch in the tube. And got it changed out. We'll see if it works now. It was.
did end up oiling the motor there. Doesn't it sound quieter?
Sure does to me. New power venter proven switch. Oiled the motor. Nozzle's good. Good draft over fire. This is a steel boiler. New Yorker, it looks like. Yeah, New Yorker. Hello, Miss Molly. Hello. Hello. Alright guys, on this proven switch, I took this tube out and made sure it was clear. What that does is when the power venter runs, it pulls a vacuum on this switch. Pulls a vacuum, this is a proven switch, and this closes. Well, I did run the power venter and I had power coming in but nothing coming out, so I knew this switch was bad. I did disconnect the power venter, the fan blade was still intact. So, when you buy this fan proven switch kit, comes with both. So, that's what it was. We just switched it out, tjernlund. I did oil the power venter. Once I oiled the motor, it was a lot quieter. Trash is full. Time to dump the trash, mama. Alright, push on over there. Make me some room. Come on. Make me some room. Get in your seat. Oh, we're gonna go to the next job.